Now we got two rectangles. One is this box and one is this box. Two rectangles. If you find the area of these two rectangles, then it will give you the area of this shape. So area of shape means above shape. Area of rectangle 1 plus area of rectangle 2. Area of rectangles 1 plus 2. So to find out area of rectangle 1, what we need length and breadth. See, this is breadth. This is breadth. How much it is? 2. This is length. Leave about this. You need only length and breadth. Either you may take this or this. See, this complete it is 12. Don't take this as 12 and this here it is given 10. No. This complete it is 12. Means from here to here it is 12. So, if after splitting they have given directly here it is 10. Means this is length or this is breadth. So, directly it is given 2 into 10. Because this length we need. This length it is directly given, that is 10. So, you consider this length. 10 into 2. Length into breadth. First rectangle we got. Now second rectangle we need this length. Is that given? Yes, it is given. No, this down. This and this will be same. So this is 8. Again this is 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. Here directly it is given 10. You consider this length into breadth. 10 into 2. So how much? 10 into 2. 10 to 20. Again 10 to 20. 20, 20, 40 centimeters square. Because it is given in bracket that the measures are in centimeters. So answer is 40 centimeter square. Clear? So simple it is. Now again this B1 also I am splitting into different rectangles and drawing one line here. So this is one rectangle. Either it can be rectangle or square. Okay, now again if I draw one more here, this complete figure, it is one rectangle. Means two rectangles and this one is third rectangle. Clear? Now area of above shape is area of rectangles 1 plus 2 plus 3. 3 rectangles are there. Clear? What is area of rectangle 1 here? Length into breadth. Here this is length and this breadth it is given directly. 7 into 7. 7 plus. Now we want this rectangle. Length. This breadth it is given. Length. How much breadth? The measure is 7. But we want length measure. This is 7. Length is what is complete from here to here. This is 7. Again this length also 7. 7 plus 7 plus 7. Understood? This is 7 and this measure is also 7. 7 plus 7 plus 7. How much? 7 plus 7 plus 7 it is 21. 7, 21. 21 into length into breadth. No, breadth is 7. Clear? Now third rectangle is this one. This is length, this is breadth. This is how much? 7. Because this and this are same, this is 7. So this also 7. 7 into 7. 7 into 7. Now do this. 7 sevens are 49 plus what is 21 into 7? 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 147 plus 7 sevens are 49. Now add all 147 plus 49 plus 49. How much it is? See 147, 49 plus 49. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 7, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25. Now 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 1 plus 1 is 2. Clear? It is how much? 245. 245. It is in centimeters, so centimeter square. 245 centimeters square. Clear? This is the area of the above shape and this is the area of this above shape. So simple it is. So last sum you do by yourself. See sum. Okay? Next we move to the 12th question. So students, This is your classroom. Yes or no? This is your classroom. These are what? These are what? Tiles. What are these? These are tiles. Tiles. What is the shape of the tile here? If you look it properly, the shape of the tile is rectangle. Shape of the tile is rectangle. Yes or no? So these rectangle tiles will be fit in your room, classroom. So the shape of the tile is rectangle. The measurement of this tile is given in the question and the measurement of the room also given. How many like these tiles are needed to fit in the complete room, we need to find it out. Clear? So I have shown you one tile now. What is the shape of the tile? Shape of the tile is rectangle. Like that the tiles it is completely fit in your house, in your room, classroom. Suppose like these tiles are kept in your classroom and the area of your room also given. Not area, length and breadth. Think this is your room, classroom. This area is given. In this complete area, how many of these tiles will be fitted? We need to find out. How to get this means, first we need to find out the area of the region. Area of the region and find out the area of each tile. Means all the tiles will be of same size and same shape. So area of each tile will be same. All the tiles means what is the area? Suppose if you get this area as 10. This also 10, this also 10, this also 10 because all the tiles are of shape, size and shape. That's why each tile will be having same area. So this complete region area divided by area of each tile will give you the number of tiles required. Understood? They have given two measurements. What are the things they have given? Measurements of the tile means tile is a rectangle in shape. Length and breadth it is given. And the measurement of the room or region it is given. Length and breadth of the region is also given. First thing is we need to find out the area of the region. Next thing is we need to find out the area of the tile. And to find out how many tiles are given in this region, we need to divide area of region by area of each tile. Will give you the number of tiles. Clear? Okay. So simple it is. You need to We want number of tiles needed. Number of tiles needed is nothing but area of the region divided by area of the each tile. So number of tiles needed is equals to area of region divided by area of each tile. So what is the area of the region we got? 144 followed by 2 zeros. It means 14,400 and area of tile is 60. 60 divided 0 we get cancels. 144 divided by 6. 1440 divided by 6. Divided by 6. 6 2s are 12. 2 will be remaining. 4 is to take down. 6 4s are 24. And we have 0 here. I am keeping 0. So answer is 240 tiles. How many tiles are required in this region? 240 tiles. So if you count in your class, how many tiles are there? It is nearly 100 tiles I think. So here you need 240 tiles. Clear? So simple. They are given tile measurements, room measurements. Tile area, room area. And number of tiles required is room area divided by tile area will give you the number of tiles required. Clear? Same way you solve the B sum also. For B sum, you need to tile measurements as it is, this only. No need to do again. For B sum, you take the tile measurement this only. For B, they have given